Shaping of the Earth's surface. This is our new topic and this is chapter 2 from standard 9. So here we are going to do 25 MCQs from the chapter, okay? So let us quickly do. First is, who proposed the plate tectonic theory? And the options are Alfred Wegener, Harry Hess, W.J. Morgan, Arthur Holmes. So the correct answer is W.J. Morgan. Next is, according to W.J. Morgan, tectonic plates move over the inner core, outer core, asthenosphere, crust. So it is asthenosphere, right? The movement of tectonic plates mainly driven by wind action, ocean current, solar radiation, convection current. Convection current. The mid-Atlantic ridge is an example of a convergent plate boundary, transform plate boundary, divergent plate boundary, subduction zone, divergent plate boundary. The San Andreas Fault is most closely associated with volcanoes, earthquake, hurricanes, flood, earthquake. The mud volcano is a rare natural wonder found in Lakshadweep Island, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Goa, Kerala. So it is a rare natural wonder found in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Which of the following is an example of chemical weathering? And the options are tree roots breaking rocks, oxidation, that is rusting of iron-rich rock, rocks cracking due to heat, wind breaking rocks. So the correct answer is oxidation. That is the example of chemical weathering. Next is, plant root growing into rock, crack and breaking them apart is an example of physical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering, glacial erosion, biological weathering. Which agent of erosion form V-shaped valley? And the options are wind, river, glacier, sea waves. Rivers. Which of the following is an example of coastal erosion? And the option are floodplain, sea cave, waterfall, loose deposit. So it is sea cave. Which landform is formed by glaciers? Delta, moraine, beach, sand dune. Moraine is formed by glaciers. Next, on which side of a meander does erosion mainly occur? Inner bank, outer bank, riverbed only, both banks equally. So in the outer bank. Which coastal landform is created by deposition? Sea cliff, sea cave, beach, sea stack. So due to coastal landform, the deposition beach is created, right? Next, a sea stack is a pile of sand near the coast, an isolated pillar of rock left after an arc collapse, a type of sand dune, a river island. So a sea stack is an isolated pillar of rock left after an arc collapse. An ariete is a U-shaped valley, narrow sharp ridge formed by glacial erosion. Deep ocean trench, sand dunes. So an ariete is a narrow shape, sharp ridge formed by glacial erosion. Next is, the Chamoli flood 2021 highlighted the importance of desert irrigation, coastal management, forest removal, glacial monitoring and disaster. Okay, this is the correct answer. That is glacial monitoring and disaster. The shape of a longitudinal dune is crescent shape, long and narrow ridge parallel to wind direction, circular mound, star shape. So the shape is long and narrow ridge parallel to wind direction. Stalactites hang from the floor of a cave, roof, that is ceiling of a cave, surface of a river, a side of a mountain. So stalactites hang from the roof of a cave. A sinkhole is a depression formed when underground rock dissolve or collapse, a mountain peak, a river island, a coastal cliff. So it is a depression formed when underground rock dissolves or collapse. Stalactites and stalagmites are mainly formed due to the deposition of sand, calcium carbonate, lava, ice. Calcium carbonate. A glacial lake outburst flood GLOF is associated with glacial lake in mountain region, ocean beaches, desert areas, river delta. So it is associated with glacial lakes in mountain region. Next is landslide are often triggered by heavy rainfall and earthquake, ocean tides only, desert wind only, volcanic ash only. So landslides are often triggered by heavy rainfall and earthquake. Next is the energy responsible for tectonic movements mainly comes from earth internal heat, rainfall, sunlight, wind pressure, earth internal heat. A delta is a type of erosional landform, depositional landform, glacial landform, volcanic landform. So it is a depositional landform as the sediment get deposited. Which agent is mainly responsible for the formation of desert pavement? Water, wind, ice, sea waves. Wind. Okay. So these are 25 MCQs from the chapter number 2, that is shaping of the earth's surface. So this much for this video. If you reach until the end, then thank you so much for watching the video.